Hello everybody, welcome to Impressive Image Maker channel. This is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I shot this image for a long time ago. Well, this is my subject, 120 film, reversal, and I got this image by Adobe Photoshop used filter called Find Edges. And well, I'm gonna make some kind of color pencil type illustration. I'm kind of interested in these days and try to make some kind of color pencil drawing type image. Well, hopefully it's gonna be the impressive image. Well, I'm gonna try to make something impressive. Okay, let's get started. Okay, I'm gonna see the change blend mode to get something interesting image from here. Blend mode, change blend mode normal to well gotten. We see the base image of course and multiply color burn. This is pretty nice. Linear burn as well. Light. Same kind of skin tones. We see some fluorescent and light. This one is more nice. We see the pencil drawing type image and also the skin tones. I may check this pin light. Yeah, same thing like luminosity. Well, what's the difference between luminosity and pin light? Luminosity has more magenta, reddish color on the overall image, huh? Well, okay, I'm gonna use this luminosity effect. Now I'm gonna select multiple, then select two of them. Now, duplicate layers, then I'm gonna merge selecting to get this image, right? Now I'm gonna duplicate this layer again. Then change one of them, one of the top, normal to multiply. So it goes double the colors. Well, then merge down. Now we got this image. Okay, now let's see. I'm gonna move this pencil drawing type image. Move up to top, then bring this one back to normal. Blend mode, then turn it off. Now this is, well, I'm gonna rename luminosity effect layer. Now blend mode is normal. Now let's see, change blend mode to, I gotta turn this pencil drawing type image off, turn it off. Now we see this, this is the luminosity effect layer. Now it's change blend mode darken, multiply. This much darker, huh? Multiply, color burn, linear burn. Wow. Screen. That's cool. Yeah, I kind of like this too. Overlay. Wow, hot light. This is pretty cool. Hot light. And which one was that? Screen, huh? Let's see. Screen and hard light. Hard light has more contrast. Screen's a little bit soft, huh? Yeah, screen is a little bit light. Maybe hard light. This one has more punch. I go with this hot light. Just leave it here now. Okay, from here, now what's next? Okay, I'm gonna make mask on this to show this base image. Create empty mask. Brush is dry media. And pastel square, which I like. Some kind of color pencil type illustration. Get texture. Now, how much you want to show? I mean, how much you want to reveal to show the original image? That's the point, I think. And which part and how much? Now I want to see this pencil drawing type image. Illustration image. I want to add some colors on this too. Yeah, this is too dark, huh? And this one is light image. Okay, let me see. Just in case I'm gonna duplicate this layer, then just turn it off to keep it. Then I'm gonna work on this to add some colors and let's see. Opacity 100, then create empty mask. Use same brush, pastel square. So showing density, showing more skin density. Now I'm going to concentrate on this layer, mask. Then this one is the base image. I'm going to reveal this with brush, pastel square, shows more skin tones. Yeah. This one is just keep, because I'm going to add color on this layer. I'll show you now. Yeah, get the density from here, right? Okay. So I'm gonna mask this. About 30, huh? Over 800 on this pencil drawing type image. Then I'm looking see-through with this mask is show this much, not much, only the skin density. Yeah, that's all for this. Right. Okay. Now I don't think I need to reveal much. Well, about here, let's see. Not much I don't need to reveal there. This is fine. Okay, from now what I can do is, okay, now I'm going to add layer or color. Just check. Then change this blend mode. Yeah, okay. Change blend mode to color. Then let's see, add more. Let's see, and the orange. I wonder if it's gonna mix up some. Okay, just leave it this way now. Okay, I'm gonna touch up to finish up this work. Let's see, I'm gonna touch up everything. Okay, I'm gonna convert to pixel layer. I got it. This one. This is overlay image. Okay, I'm gonna convert to pixel layer. All the layers change to convert to pixel layer so I can touch. Give it this retouch on these images. Okay. Now let's see about this colors too. Let me smudge these. How it looks like. It's not much effect. No, just smudging colors. Alright, well, I guess that's it. Yeah, some kind of illustration, isn't it? Well, this is for color. I add green, mostly moss green, but it's a light pastel green though. Then this one is hiding image, this much to this with mask. Then also the base image is a much more mask here, this much. Then base image is this effect till that much. Then this one is the base image. Well, it's big difference from this image, huh? Change blend mode, add luminosity effect layer to get this image with mask. Then add pencil drawing type of image with layer, and mode is overlay to get this image. Then I add color with blend mode color with this much. Add mostly blue and green. This is final image of illustration, some kind of illustration. Well, thank you for watching my video, and I hope this movie is going to give you some kind of idea for your creative work. And well, I really appreciate for you guys support, and you guys have a nice day, and see you next time. Bye now. Ciao.